Lose weight in a week. Losing weight in a week is possible if you make the right changes in your habits and adopt a healthy way of living. Following a few healthy practices can help you lose weight in 1 week at home easily. Change your lifestyle habits. Our habits go a long way in determining the quality of our life and health. Embrace the good ones and chuck the bad ones, and you will see yourself opening the doors to healthfulness. Set a realistic goal. Yes, goals are necessary to motivate yourself to lose weight. But while setting goals, you must be realistic. Unrealistic goals can only be deterrents in your quest for weight loss. Set a time. Reinvent yourself as a slow eater. Cherish the food you are eating. Set a timer for 20 minutes, and ensure you are spending each minute savoring the dish before you. Mindful eating and chewing well can help in losing weight. Hogging on your food can only lead to overeating, as your stomach doesn't have the time to tell your brain that it is full. Reduce your portions. It is always important to check what is there on your plate, quality as well as quantity. Portion control is not only a good practice to lose weight, but it also reduces excessive energy intake. Cut the portions in half and ensure you are choosing smaller portions. Don't eat in front of the television. Merging television time with your dining time can lead to mindless eating. You tend to focus on what is happening on the television screen and become unaware of what is going on inside your mouth and stomach. Ultimately, you end up overeating.